So hello guys, for today's video we will talk about patterns in nature, type of patterns, and I will show to you some examples of patterns in my surroundings. By the way, I am RVC Valmoria from BSMT 2Y. So guys, let's go! Patterns in nature. Patterns that you can see in nature refers to the repeated design, shapes, structures of behaviors that occur in the natural world. These patterns often engage due to underlying physical, chemical, or biological process can be observed in various forms. There are different types of patterns such as symmetry, cracks, spiral, fractals, and waves. So now, I will show it to you the first example of patterns, which is symmetry. But before I'll show it to you, I will explain what is symmetry. Symmetry is a balanced and proportional arrangement of parts or elements on either sides of a dividing line, point, or plane. In simple terms, it means something looks the same on both sides when divided in a particular way. First, I have here the examples of symmetry, which is Kalachuchi. This is the second example of symmetry, which is Widelia. So now, I will show it to you the second examples of patterns, which is cracks. But before I'll show it to you, I will explain what is cracks. Cracks are natural fractures lines that form in a material or surface, experiences stress or tensions beyond its breaking point. These patterns are widespread in nature and often follow predictable mathematical principles that reflect the physical and environmental forces acting on the material. I have here the examples of cracks, which is faults. And this is the second example of cracks, which is frost cracks. So now I will show it to you the third examples of patterns, which is fractals. But before I'll show it to you, I will explain what is fractals. Fractals is a geometric shape that infinitely complex and self-similar, meaning it looks like the same at any scale. I have here the examples of fractals, which is elephant or plant. This is the second one, which is caladium plant. So now, I will show it to you the fourth examples of patterns, which is spiral. But before I'll show it to you, I will explain what is spiral. Spiral optimizes growth, energy, distribution, and structural integrity, making them demand efficient patterns for many nature's forms. I have here an examples of spiral, which is tattoo. And this is the second example, which is spider wave. So now, this is the last examples of patterns, which is waves. But before I'll show it to you, I will explain what is waves. Waves represent rhythmic and repetitive motions or forms that occur across various natural phenomena. These waves, like patterns, are a result of oscillations, energy transfer, or flow within systems. They can be seen in physical landscape, biological structures, and even celestial movements. I have here an examples of wave, which is ocean waves. And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Bye!